Best Exfoliating Facial Sponge Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular facial sponges in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this exfoliating sponge so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this facial sponge. The one that made our list is the Compressed Facial Sponge from AwesomeWare. This sponge is made from 100% natural wood pulp for unparalleled face cleansing. Now you can gently exfoliate your skin and clean your pores deeply. This is ideal for removing makeup, dirt and face masks. The sponge expands when wet to produce a nice foam lather with any facial cleansers. These sponges are reusable and you can simply hand wash them and air dry when done. The compressed sponges are thin and easy to pack when they're dry, so that you can bring them around anywhere you need. To check out the full specs of the AwesomeWare Compressed Facial Sponge and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/face sponge. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to use this facial sponge. So there you have it, the compressed facial sponge from AwesomeWare. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material and its overall functionality, we feel that this face sponge is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the AwesomeWare Compressed Facial Sponge and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/face sponge. Alright, thank you for watching.